Hi everybody, I'm going to talk a little bit about what we're going to do this week. Because this week I've assigned you some new work, and the work is going to be found on Frilæsning.dk. And now I will show you a little bit about how to find your homework. First I want you to go on Intra and find the week plans. On here you can see every week what you're supposed to be doing. Find week 14. This week I will assign you homework on Frilæsning.dk. Every day there will be a new book for you to read. I will also be available for a video chat on Microsoft Teams, Monday from 9:30. Go to Frilæsning.dk and sign in using your uni login. Now, if you click on Mine sider, then you will get to this page. And on this page you can see you have messages. In those messages I've sent you the homework. If you click on it, you will get the link to the book you're supposed to be reading. I've also assigned you a specific level of reading. So I might have told you to read the difficult one, det sværeste. If I've told you to do that, then you read the highest next number. All the books that you are going to be reading are facta books. They are books that are about specific topics that are real facts, not stories that are made up. Once you're done reading the book, I want you to do the quiz underneath the book. And the only way you can get all the answers correct is if you read the whole book and you've paid attention to what you've been reading. Remember, there's also the possibility of just listening to the book, and that is okay to do as well. Do your best to fill out the answers. I will get your results, so if you have a lot of them wrong, I might tell you to read the book again. When you are done reading the book and you've done the quiz or one of the assignments underneath the book, then it's time to go over to Microsoft Teams and answer the question of the day. The question of the day is always just a short little question, and it's something related to do with the book that we've been reading. It's mostly for me to keep in contact with you and to know that you've been doing what you're supposed to do. It's also for us to be able to chat a little bit about the book we've been reading. So come to Microsoft Teams and then have that little chat with everybody. Now I'm going to show you Microsoft Teams. In Microsoft Teams you have a chat room that is specific for all of your subjects. Find the one that you need to be using right now, which is Danish. And remember to find the one that's for your class. In there, I want you to answer the question of the day, which you could find on Intra. So let's do a little recap of all of the assignments. You were supposed to go on Frilæsning.dk, find the book that I've assigned you. You will get a new book every day, so you have to read one book every day on Frilæsning. When you're done reading, you have to do the quiz. And when you're done with the quiz, you go to Teams and then you write a few lines answering the question of the day. So every book has a different question. That's it. There's also gonna be assignments on grammatik.com, but you do not have to do them. That's just extra work if you feel like it. DSL students, I want you to try to read the books as well. And at least I want you to come on Microsoft Teams and answer the question of the day, because that one you can do, even if you're not able to understand and read the book. If you give up completely on reading the books, then I want you to work on grammatik.com and den første læsning. So you have something to do as well. Have fun!